Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna aka Mellow Snail, and today we're gonna be opening a lot of blind boxes. Everything we got was super cute, and it is a lot, so let's get started. The blind boxes you're gonna see come from different stores and websites. One of them is the Strange Cat Toys in Tampa, Florida. We visited that store at the beginning of March, and we got a few blind boxes there. We couldn't help it but get a whole bunch of them. Everything they got is super cute. Amazing store, amazing staff. And I even got empty boxes for my junk journaling, so that was really cool. Then we went to Daiso and got just a couple of little things. I love Rilakkuma, so I gotta have those two blind boxes. But then the rest of the blind boxes were from AliExpress. And believe it or not, we found a whole bunch of blind boxes that they were real. They are Pop Mart blind boxes from different series and different types of toys. I am not gonna try to pronounce all of those names or remember them even. I'm gonna put them in the description and also on the screen for you to read. But yeah, we got a few blind boxes that were not so blind because we were actually able to choose the ones that we wanted from the items that you can get from a toy series. We got so many beautiful things. I'm just gonna let you watch and enjoy opening those boxes with us. I can just tell you that every single item we got, every single toy was super amazing. They were all super soft, high quality, very well constructed, and the colors are amazing. I was really excited to get 3 boxes of these Molita toy series. They have really pretty colors. They're very light and pastel, but yet very fun. That would be something I would want to keep on getting. Maybe 3 more to have a total of 6, or maybe the whole series. I don't know, but don't have the space to display them. But they're very pretty and very high quality. The details are amazing. Do you know I have a TikTok and an Instagram account? Can you please follow me there? I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Whoa, the white one. Oh, he's so cute. Just look at the size of these toy. It is what they call the 400% item on the series. They are more expensive than the regular ones, but they are huge. The eyes are interchangeable. You can just roll them around and choose the ones that you like. And of course, we are so lucky and so happy to get these Labubus. They are so popular now and people are going so crazy about them. They're getting stolen out of cars and purses. It is unbelievable. But we were very lucky to get 2 of them, and they happen to be the same color only because me and my daughter love that color, and we also like the name, which is soy milk. Again, thank you so very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. I try to post every single week. Goodbye.